Make a great choice today with the 2017 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, engine block heater, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, speed proportional power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.